Haven't seen you since 1995. Those youthful days still make me smile. The way we talk about pain and dreams, and laugh at jokes from dirty magazines. I've wandered far, the miles roll on. Changed my name and my dreams are long gone. I moved out west for some fame. You went south to chase the rain. If someday we meet again, my friend, we'll pick things up just like back then. And if word gets to you that I am dead, maybe you can find time to attend. I still recall those weekend nights, drinking beer under the neon light, chasing girls and chasing dreams. Now it all plays back like a movie scene. I never meant to drift away, but life's got a habit of pulling that way. Always said we'd catch up someday. Just don't know how many days I got left. If someday we meet again, my friend, we'll pick things up just like back then. And if word gets to you that I am dead, maybe you can find time to attend. It's been 20 years and still I roam, looking back, hoping you found a home. Hope she's the one you dreamed about.